These cars keep coming. Listen, Golf GTDs at the moment, if you're looking for one, we have got the best selection. This car is absolutely just out of this world. Moonstone Grey, Adelaide wheels, opening sunroof, reversing camera, keyless entry, head-up display. What a car, 2022 22 plate. It's only done 365 miles. It is such a great looking car in Moonstone Grey. The specification, like listen, you can't buy these cars at VW. You can't go and buy a new one of these. That is just fact. And this one, look at the colour. Moonstone Grey, flat grey colour. It's absolutely incredible. But it's the wheels, it's the sunroof, it's all the other things that we've got going on with this car. Plus it's brand new with delivery miles really. 300 miles, we can class it as delivery miles. It has had one owner. But if you're looking for a great car that's fun to drive, this is 200 brake horsepower. It's a 2-litre diesel, but it's ultra modern. We look at that all around the car. We look at the LED lights, we look at the LED light strip. We look at the 5-pin headlights, which I always like to put on because for me, it looks amazing like that. Look at that. The most modern hatchback you can buy that is fuel efficient. It's quick, it's nippy, but then the technology inside these cars just mirrors the exterior. The Adelaide wheels, now this is a massive feature by the way. Red braking calipers, the wheels make the car, it makes it what it is, it makes it desirable. So does that opening sunroof. So does the colour by the way. And then it's the other little features like the head-up, like the reverse camera, front and rear parking sensors. It is an absolute cracker, this car. IQ lights to the rear, which look so modern. The space in the boot, the practicality of the Golf, the reliability of the Golf, the build quality of the Golf. It has everything. Keyless entry, inside the iconic interior, that crosshatch tartan interior. Digital climate control to the rear, the wraparound cockpit inside. LED lights in the door handles. But in a new condition, with all the manufacturer's warranty remaining until 2025, this car is out of this world. And that is what we need to describe it as. There isn't another one for sale like this anywhere. We also have two others. So if this colour isn't for you, if you are quick and you ring at the right time and you want another one, we have two other cars. But this is the one for me. What an unbelievable car. I love the seats. I love how sporty they are. They really hug you in. I love all the little touches that VW have done now, making it ultra modern, from the ambient lighting into the doors. And we've got it in yellow in this, and I think it works really well against the grey paint, the yellow dash, the yellow doors, head-up display. The buttonless, look at that, look at the ambient lighting down here, wireless phone charging, but the yellow really works in the car. The swipe to the sunroof, it's like a swipe, there's no buttons, it's like a finger swipe up and down, it's a tilt and slide. Again, buttonless console with your light cluster, heated steering wheel. We forget things, adaptive cruise in the Golf is a given now on these cars, but it's a massive feature on any other manufacturing car. The way the screen works is so easy. We've got it in navigation at the moment, so you've got your assistance with your adaptive cruise, you've got your climate control, so again, everything all touch operated and digital, your driving modes, eco, comfort, sport, individual, the reversing camera, not standard features. It's a real top car. I love the GTD. For me, driving this car, it feels so much quicker from the 2-litre diesel engine than the horsepower suggests. But it holds the road, it's agile, it's nimble, and it's beautiful inside from the wraparound cockpit, the steering wheel shape. But it's all about the options on the exterior, the colour, the wheels, the sunroof. It's a great car. With delivery miles going on the website now, it's a 22 plate GTD, not another one for sale. Thanks for watching.